Our first stop of the day, Parle. This stunning wine region is where we kicked things off with a behind-the-scenes cellar tour. On the way to Franschhoek, we stopped at a place that holds so much history, the Groot Drakenstein prison. This is the very spot where Nelson Mandela took his first steps to freedom back in 1990. Franschhoek insists this place looks like something out of a postcard. Tucked between the mountains, it's giving Swiss village vibes with a South African twist.
Lunch at Morgenhof was all about delicious food, great wine, and soaking in the beauty of the vineyards. The Hell's Hoot Mountain Pass gave us the kind of views that make you feel alive. Stellenbosch is pure magic with its mix of charm, history, and stunning scenery.